Parents are rushing for this daily immunity and cold relief combo. But why? Because this Ayurvedic combo works fast and long term. This is India's first clinically tested 100% Ayurvedic baby organos Balprasin Swarnaprasin drops made with 24 karat gold ash and Ayurvedic herbs like Sankhapuspi and Brahmi. It helps strengthen immunity and support digestion naturally. These cold and cough gummies, total lifesavers, infused with turmeric, honey, yasti madhu, and ginger. They calm the cough and comfort the throat. And the best part, zero drowsiness. Parents, give your child a healthy combo they'll actually love.